Hello, Jose. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Logo Leads, and I believe my wife Megan spoke with you recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking and how MH Painting and Drywall stacks up to its competition. In this video, we'll go over a few specifics on search engine optimization, and I'll show you how to beat your competitors online and how doing that can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. The three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is going to be anything on the front page of your website that Google can read. So all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like Painter Austin, Texas, drywall repair Austin, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website is the one that pops up. Now, your website itself is actually very nicely done. It's clean, it's professional, it's very easy to navigate. You have your various social media and directories linked up here, and I see that you have some reviews that will be coming in here in the near future. I also see that you use the GoDaddy website builder, which is a great kind of out-of-the-box solution for building out a website. Doesn't necessarily do anything to optimize your SEO or propel your website forward with regards to Google, but that is a whole other thing besides web design. So that's totally okay. It's not something that is unfixable or unattainable. Now, again, one thing you want to do for your homepage is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, because what that allows you to do is place those keyword phrases organically throughout the page so that it doesn't look like you're just jumbling them all together in a single paragraph, because that looks like keyword stuffing and Google will actually penalize you for doing that. So what you want to do is keep your keyword phrases to about a one phrase per 100 to 150 words of content ratio. That allows you to target between 12 to 15 keywords while also keeping things informative yet concise and to the point. So by doing that, you're going to build a lot more credibility and authority with Google as far as your keywords go. Now, for your services page, back pages, I would suggest creating, first off, what you can do is you can create a non-clickable menu where if you hover over services, it will list out these different pages. The reason you want to do that is because the less clicks it takes someone to get to the service that they're trying to provide and then click to either contact you or provide their information, the less clicks there are, the higher the likelihood that they will convert into a paying customer. So by them having to click on services and then go find, as opposed to just hovering over it and then being able to see the actual services that you offer and then clicking, it cuts out a whole step there. You want to save as many clicks as possible because people hate having to click like 5, 6, 7, 10 times to get to the page that they're trying to find. So just a suggestion there. As far as the services go, you want to create separate service pages for all of these because you can target specific keywords on those pages and build content around those, keeping that same one keyword per 100 to 150 words of content. Now, working alongside your keywords is something called backlinks. And now with Google, it's kind of like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you, as well as the credibility and the reputation of those websites and how related they are to the actual services that you provide. So You'd want to be looking into getting backlinks from, say, like commercial painters or a popular website that features various types of home services, as opposed to a local Domino's pizza, for example. You're going to get a lot more power and influence from those related industry websites than you would by something that's not related. A tool that we use to measure and analyze websites is called Eros. And as you can see here, you do have some activity on your website. And as you can see, it has 12 referring domains, so 12 websites pointing back to you 31 times. You're not targeting any keywords, again, because you want to build that into the content on your homepage and your service pages. And right now you have 0 organic traffic for the month, so probably little to no traffic going to your website. Now, again, you'd want to build around those high buyer intent keywords. That's what would show up here. And just as an example, I went ahead and took a look at one of your top competitors in Austin text painting. And as you can see, they have a lot of keywords here. We'll go back and take a look at their actual statistics. And you can see they have over 1,500 backlinks from 313 domains and 437 unique visitors to their website in the last month. So quite a bit of activity going to their website. This is a bit of an inflated number because they don't have the best keyword targeting on their website. And the backlinks, I would not be scared off by that, because if you look here, this is a rating for the backlinks, and 88% of them are 0 to 10, which is very, very, very poor. You want to shoot for these 11 to 20, 31 to 40. It's really hard to get these ones up here. You have to pay quite a bit of money to get a URL from there. But these are kind of your money spots right here. So taking a look at their keywords, you'll see that they target some stuff in locally. So you have Austin painting, Austin painting contractor, Austin house painting. So those are all your high buyer intent keywords. But even they have some stuff in there that's, commercial painting company, that's not specific to Austin, that's across the nation, so on and so forth. Last thing I wanted to talk to you about today is something called Citations. Now, when someone goes to Google to search for a particular service, so I'm going to do painters in Austin, Texas, you'll notice that the first thing that pops up is this Google Map Pack. And essentially you want to get into this by creating citations. And citations are just the name, address, and phone number of your business listed across the various directories online. That is going to be Yelp, Home Advisor, Houzz. You're probably already on a bunch of them. These guys just have more than the rest. So I hope that this video was useful to you and informative. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you have an excellent rest of your day. If you would like to discuss it further, please do give Megan a call. Her number is 210-865-0718.